Well, okay, guys, you guys got yourself a Kbest red racing chair, whatever. I don't even know. Does it matter that it's red? No, probably not. Could probably be any color you want, because the instructions are probably gonna be the same. But the first thing you're gonna do is you're just gonna get everything out and get it all unboxed and unpackaged and get all the trash off of it. Then you're gonna take your little star piece here and you're gonna set it upside down. That's what it says to do, but it shows it right side up. I don't know. First time building it. You're going to take your little leggies here and we're going to figure out how those go on. Oh, look at that. Slides right on there. Now it doesn't say to put any screws in, but it shows a picture of putting screws in. But it doesn't say, yeah, okay, it does say screw number 1. Okay, so it's these ones. The instructions did not say attach the screw. No. They didn't say that at all. But it's clear that you're going to need to attach the screw. Because this is just going to slide out if you don't. And we're not going to use power tools, even though I probably should. Because this is metal. I thought it would be like the, I don't know, the cheap cardboard stuff is what I thought it was going to be, but it's actually metal, so that makes me happy. Thank you, Kbest, for that. You're just going to screw it in with the tool that they provide. I guess these are bolts, not screws. You know, I use wrong words a lot. Keep putting your casters on, sliding it in, and putting your bolts in. Helps if you got a grip of your tool. This tool, not the other one. Alright guys, and when you got that together, you got a nice little star here. Ooh, alright, the instructions do say to flip that over, and then you're going to put your lifter in there, and then you're going to put your little coney things right on top. That's easy. 2, 4, 2. And the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take 4 of the what they're calling the number 2 bolts, and you're going to look for the chair or the seat. Oh, that's going to be the one with the footrest. And it says to attach the arms with 2 of those for each, or 2 of those bolts for each arm. I have my arms here. There they are. Now I don't think the arms matter which way they go. Doesn't appear as though they do. Nope, doesn't appear as though they do. Okay. So you're just going to take them, and there's, you know, slot here, and there's hole. There's another hole here that's off center. So you want the 2 that line up in a straight line with the side. We're just going to start that here. Okay, we're actually going to have to use the tool to start it because it's a little too short to grab a hold of with my finger. I didn't want to tighten it down either. I want to be able to move it Don't tighten them down until you get both of them started, because you don't want to have one of the holes covered up and then not be able to get to it, and then have to loosen it up to get to it. Alright, those two are in. Now it's time for the other arm. It doesn't say to add the spacers. Alright, so the next step, you're going to need the other 4 of those number 2s. And it looks like you're going to need the 4 spacers, which we're calling number 3. The instructions, the written part doesn't say that you need the spacers, but the picture shows the spacers being put in. So, yeah, you know. But you're going to take the plate here, and somewhere on this it should be marked front. Oh. Huh, I don't see where it's marked front anywhere on this. Because the key is to make sure that the front of this is actually to the front of the seat. But nowhere on here does it say front. Alright, well, we'll have to look at the picture. Okay, footrest is towards me, which is where it should be. These 2 levers are going to be on the right side. This knob is going to be on the left. So that is the direction it goes. Now it says, it shows, oh okay, there's 2 up here in the front, so there's these 2 holes as well. You can't really see those in the picture. All you can see is the back to it. I don't know why it's calling them spacers, they're washers. And where did I put the tool? Right there, okay. Just gonna start getting those started with my finger there. And just get them started for now, guys. Don't tighten them down, because you need it to be loose so that you can move it if you have to. Now once you get the 3rd one in, then you're pretty much gold at that point. Because if 3 of the holes are lined up, it's kind of hard to screw up and not hit the 4th one. It's possible. Maybe not on this chair, but on some things it is possible. Let's get those tight. Alright. Yep. I think there's 4 of them in here. Oh, nope. Nope, just 3. My bad, I can't count. Oh, okay, I see what it's doing. It's just... So this, you're going to take your T-bar. You're going to take your number 4s, your washers and your bolts. And then you're going to take your back brace. And you're going to open up the zipper. The zipper's on the bottom here. Well, which zipper? There's 2 sets of zippers. That's, we're gonna assume it means the bottom one, because that seems like it's more in the center. I don't know. We could be wrong. Well, I don't know. Because it looks like there's a hole. Nope, there is a hole there. Okay. That's fine. We'll just close the bottom zipper. There's two zippers down there. You're going to want the zipper that actually has the pull tabs on it, evidently. The one that only unzips about part way. When you look at that, you should be able to see 1, 2, 3 holes. So you're going to take your T-bar and curve side down into the chair, because that's the way it fits flush. And that's what you're going to want it to do. You're not going to want to bow out away from the chair. I mean, that would give you almost no support. Alrighty, and then just like with everything else, you just get it started with your hand first. And that way you can move things around if you have to. And it looks like I have to, because I can't get it to line up. Ah, right there it is. I don't know if I'm in there or not. Yep, I am. Okay. Alright, now that they're all started, now you can just use the tool to get them tightened down. That's not hard. Okay, and then just double check them all again, make sure that they're still tight. Awesome. Now it says to close the zipper. It's going to be kind of hard to close the zipper completely because now you got a metal thing sticking out of it. Alright, then the next step is simple. Completely simple. Take your stand, your base with the coasters, caster wheels. And you're going to take your seat. You got this hole here. This hole has to go right here. Boy, was that easy. Whew, that was hard. Alright, now I gotta look and see if I need any screws for the next part. Because that one doesn't take any. Okay, so this one doesn't take any screws either. Has this knob right here. There, right here. Yep. That's how you're gonna tighten this one down. So you got a slot right here that this metal rod will go into. So you're just going to pick it up, slide that rod in. That'll help push your seat down because it's extra weight. Give it a nice forceful tug the rest of the way. Actually, come on. Because I think that's supposed to go down here. That would make sense. There's a flap down there, and I think the flap's supposed to go down with it, not sitting up on the chair. All right, so with that in, just gotta tighten your knob here. Not that knob. This knob right here. Okay, and it didn't really say how much to tighten it or how tight to get it, so we will I don't know. It's done, it's together. There was a couple extra bolts in there that we didn't need. We don't need the tool anymore. Really don't need the instructions. It came with gloves. Not sure what those are for. And has a nice little cord here. I think that's to turn the massaging thing on. We'll have to find that because I want the massager. But let's take a look at it here. Oh, oop, I got my rug in the way. Alrighty guys, with the chair together. I'm sorry, I can't get the camera far enough away. There's a nice relaxed resting position to where you can sit back and enjoy yourself. If you don't want that, is one of the levers that'll prevent that from going back. There we go, that's it. It'll be this one right down here. Up, down, yeah. Well, shoot. This one, I'm on the wrong one. So you sit back, pull that up to go back as far as you want. Pull it up when you sit forward. But like if you just want to sit just a little bit back, just pull it up and lean back just a little bit, it'll go the rest of the way. Or it'll go to where you know, until you stop. The other one is your height adjuster. So if you want to go up, yay. If you want to go down, yay. The other nice thing about this chair, which is the whole reason I got it, is the footrest. So I can sit down in my room, put my chair back, and just relax. With a laptop and a mouse. Hey, with any luck, you put together your Kbest racing chair. Thanks for tuning in. Hope it's helpful.